Hello, class. So today we are going to create an alternate ending to our book, um, Hey Little Ant. So first I want everyone to go to Seesaw, go to the activities, and you'll see that I had posted the activity. We had already gone over Hey Little Ant, and we had started with reading the book and understanding and comprehending the skills of the story. So today we're going to create the alternate ending. First, we're going to read it. It says, "Good afternoon, class. After listening to the read aloud of the story, Hey Little Ant, it is time to create your own ending. In your ending, be sure to include the following. Include two feelings. Examples are happy, sad, scared, nervous. And then also create the dialogue between the ant and the kid. Creating the dialogue of the ant and the kid is following the same procedure of what was in the book to begin with. So we're just going to keep that dialogue flowing. The point of this activity is really to get creative and really have fun with it. I want you guys to use your imaginations and explore different feelings and explain them really well. So we're going to create the alternate ending by creating a story jumper. Some of you may have already used Story Jumper before, some may have not. I posted the link to Story Jumper here, so we're going to go ahead and click on it. It's going to bring us to Story Jumper. In the top right corner, you're going to press Login or Sign Up. If you had already signed up before, you can go ahead and press Login. Most of us, since we all have Google account with the school, we're going to press Sign In with Google. Here we are, we're already signed up. I had already created a book for you guys I will share at the end, but let's go over and how to create our own book. So we're going to press Create Book. We could do a blank one, a hero, all about me, ABCs are the monster, but let's create a blank book. Story Jumper allows you to add your own background. It allows you to add voices, different scenes. So let's set a scene. I think this one looks nice. A text. Let's write this. My alternate ending. You can get creative and choose whatever title you would like. You can change the font. You can make it bigger. You can make it bold, underlined. We can change the font. All right, let's make the second page. Oh. Here we could also, now we have to go back, add a scene. We can do a blank scene. Here is going to be the first page to your book. So we want to write a big text box and let's say ant. We're going to use quotes because the ant is speaking, and we're going to say, "Hey kid, how are you feeling?" Before you guys create the story, I think it's very important for everyone to go over a little bit of what they would like to say and kind of plan out what the ending of your book is going to be about. So when you get to the designing of the book, we're not just sitting here picking and thinking about what to write. You guys can also add props to it, so we could add this guy, can add a little sun. Just explore and make the book as unique as you would like. I would like the book to be at least 4 pages long. When you're done with it, we can press save and exit. Your book will be here. This is a book that I had made. Hey, my foot may be up and I want to squish you, but I'm unsure of what to do. I don't want to be squished. There is so much to do. Let's be friends and no feelings will be hurt. You guys can go ahead and read my book. I'm going to also post it to Seesaw, so this will be a great example for you guys to use. See, it's just 4 pages. I chose different backgrounds. I added some features to it. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. When you guys are done with the book, you can press share. You can take the links right here. You can go back to Seesaw and post it under the activity, so then I can review it and all your classmates can review your book. I hope you guys have fun.